Welcome to Monarch University. Monarch University is a private university located at iyesi, Ota Ogun State, Nigeria. Monarch University is approved by the federal government of Nigeria. Here are some courses available per faculty. Faculty of Humanity, Management and Social Sciences, Accounting and Finance, Business Administration, Economics, English, History, Sociology, Mass Communication. Monarch University has Faculty of Basic and Allied Science, Biological Science, Chemical Science, Computer Science, Physics, Mathematics. Facility as follows. Monarch University has male and female hostel, uninterrupted power supply, standard and modern science lab, physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab, computer lab, language lab, general lab, ICT, library, e-library, university clinic, university museum, student center, multi-purpose hall, sports center, basketball, lawn tennis, football, indoor sports, student center and humanity. Entry requirement: passes at credit level in 5 subjects including English language and mathematics in WAEC, NECO, GCE. 5 O-level credit in not more than 2 sitting in relevant subjects. JAMB score not less than 150 and above. This is applicable for all departments. Monarch University. Admission and registration is ongoing. For further information and inquiry, please call +234 80 332 78474 or 081 387 16306. Monarch University. Academic empowerment and spiritual development.